everybody, so it's that time again. It's time to draw for our 1,300 subscriber giveaway, and I'm excited about this. I can't believe I've already hit 1,300 subscribers. I was hoping by the end of this year to reach 1,000, so I've definitely passed that, and I'm so grateful to all of you who like to watch my videos. I find it incredible that so many of you actually like to watch my videos about toys and stuff. But before I pick the winner, I do want to talk a little bit about my next giveaway, which will change a little bit. And the next giveaway that I'm going to do will actually be a fan art contest giveaway. And so anyone and everyone is welcome to submit art or anything that you created. It can be paintings, drawings, collages, any kind of craft that you make. Even if you want to make jewelry and send it or something, that's fine. But it has to be something that you created, at least mostly. I mean, it's okay if you use beads or pictures and collages or things like that, but you have to actually have created it in some form. And make sure if you send something that isn't a picture or something like that, that you pick something that is easy to send that won't get damaged during the shipping, because unfortunately sometimes mail isn't all that good. So make sure you do that. And once you have your fan art ready to send in, this is the address that you send it into: Miranda's Collectibles and Books, P.O. Box 14, Englewood, Ohio 45322. And I think this first one I'm gonna run for 2 months. Or maybe actually a little bit over 2 months. It's near the end of November, so I think I'll run it through the end of January. That way, if any international people want to enter, it gives them plenty of time to get their stuff here. So I'll pick a winner in early February, but I am going to have a theme. So the theme for the fan art contest this time is cats. And I just decided to pick that first because everybody who watches my videos knows I'm a big cat lover. So the theme for the fan art contest is cats. So any pictures or anything that you send in, if they have some kind of cat theme, that would be great, since, it is a themed contest. And the way that I'm going to pick the winner is, well, partly it'll be kind of a personal judgment thing, what speaks to me the most or what I like the best, but I also will take into account if I get stuff that looks like it took a lot of time and effort to make. I'll definitely take that into account. And then the stuff that I get, I will be showing on my videos unless for some reason you really don't want me to and you ask me not to. So I might ask for comments from my audience too about what they like the best. And, I definitely only want positive things. I don't want anybody to knock anybody's stuff, because this is about inspiring creativity, not knocking it down. But I would like to welcome positive comments from anybody who watches my videos to tell the people who send in art or whatever what they think of it and, what they like about it. So all those things will go into account when I pick a winner, but I'm just excited for this. I hope it goes well, and I hope that a lot of you enter. Like I said, you can enter whether you're in the US or international. Just know that if you're, from outside of the country, that it probably will cost a little bit more and take a little bit longer to get here. So you might want to make sure you send it out early enough. And I think usually to send just like a drawing or something like that, it's not very expensive to send. Like here, it only costs like $1 something to send just paper internationally. But that covers my new plans. So let's go ahead and get to the current giveaway. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention, the winner of my fan art contest, the package that they get, I'm going to try to kind of synchronize it with the theme. So I'll try to send some cat related things, toys and collectibles and items, but I'll also probably ask the person who wins what kind of stuff they like and try to maybe customize their package for them a little bit too. So let's go ahead and go to pick. So okay, we got someone. So we have FaZe Jack, and that is for a girl. So my 1,300 subscriber winner is FaZe Jack, and I'll be getting in contact with FaZe Jack via YouTube if I can at all. And I probably will send you a message if I have the ability. If not, then if you make videos or whatever, I'll try to comment on them, or I'll try to get in touch with you somehow. So I'm excited about this. I hope that you guys, a lot of you, enter the art contest. And like I said, just, you know, whatever you want to send is fine. I just want to have some fun, and I want to inspire people to be creative, especially kids, because I think creativity is so important in kids. So that's it for today. Congratulations to FaZe Jack. I'll be in contact, and then I'll get your package sent out. And I guess that's it. So I hope you all have a great day. Bye.